for today's video. I am done preparing food for my kid to school, and then I am having coffee right now, and also I'm doing a list of my grocery list. Yeah, that's it. I'll show you guys right here. I'm doing a list. And also, look at, I'm so haggard. I didn't even wash my face, and I'm doing this right now at the house. Because later when my baby will woke up, we're going to Dumaguete to do this, to shopping for my store. Just not much. This only. My my brain is drained right now on how I'm gonna do this with my son. He is annoying. Last time we went shopping with my mom, he always crying. I don't know now. I don't know if he cries now. But see ya.